Hi. In the previous video, we were talking about a nested try statement. As I told in the previous video, like nested if in C, we can have nested try statement in Java. So let us see how it works. Look at this piece of code. We have a class called nest try, and inside this we have main method. We have a try, and look at this try. Your try starts here. Inside this try, we have another try statement. Look at where it ends. So this is your inner try, and this is your outer try. Let us see what this program does. Uh, this is not much different from the previous one. We have A is nothing but args dot length. Args is nothing but your array. If you pass any command line arguments, which is going to find for the command line, the length is going to find the number of strings in the command line, and this will be assigned to A. So A is nothing but the number of command line arguments, and we have B, which is equal to 42 by A. So if A is 0, which is nothing but if you are not passing any command line arguments, which is going to raise an exception, which is going to throw an exception. So this is a place. So obviously what happened, the next statement will never get executed. So it will come to the catch statement. It will never come to the next try. It will come to the catch statement. So this is a catch statement, which is arithmetic exception. E is object. So system.out.println, you are going to print divide by 0, and what is the exception for this? So I'm talking about this statement. If you give a statement like this, Java nest try is your class name, and without any command line. Look at the next one, nest try 1, here no command line. So you are going to get the output divide by 0, java.lang arithmetic exception division by 0. I'm talking about this statement. Arithmetic exception divide by 0, and what is E? E is nothing but java.lang arithmetic exception division by 0. So this is what your E. Look at the next previous program again. Think that you're yeah, we'll see with the output. Think that you're giving or you're running your program with command line java nest try 1. You're going to give 1 as command line. See the previous one, there is no command line arguments. Here we have a single argument. If this is the case, what exception this is going to create? So it will come to this try. What is a args dot length? What is the length? How many command line arguments? We have a single one. So a is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, b is equal to 42 by 1. So 42 by 1 is nothing but 42. B is going to be 42 now. System dot out dot print line. So system dot out dot print line is a is equal to 42, which is going to print a as 42. So we got the output. Yeah, sorry, a is not 42, a is 1. B is 42. Yeah. You're printing your A value. A is number of command line arguments, which is 1. So you'll be getting this output for this. Yeah. And which is going to print what is the exception all the cases, because even if you give A is equal to 1, look at the next statement. Try, we have another statement. If A is equal to 1, A is equal to A by A minus A. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 divided by 0 is again going to give 0, and A is going to be 0 again. So there is again division by 0. So again this is going to throw an exception. What is exception here? The exception is again division by 0. So it will come to the same catch clause. It will come to this catch clause. arithmetic exception E system.out.println divide by 0. What is the exception which is going to throw? So the only difference is if if you pass command line argument, just one command line argument, so you're going to print a is equal to 1 and you're going to print the statement. Again, there is an exception called arithmetic exception. If there is no command line argument, you cannot print what is a, and you're going to print what is the exception which is going to create, which is going to throw. You're going to print this. Look at the third case. We are going to run the same program with two command line arguments. We have 1 and 2. So I told this will be stored in an array called args. Now args is an array with how many strings? There are two strings. Look at the program. What happens? Now args.length is equal to what is your a value? We have two command line arguments. So b is equal to 42 by a. So 42 by 2 is 21. This will be stored in b, and you are going to print what is your a value. A is equal to 2. So again we have a try block. What you do is if a is equal to 1, so this condition fails. If a is equal to 2, in this case a is equal to 2, so you are going to take an array called C and you are going to initialize its value to 1. Look at the next statement. C42 is equal to 99. So which is going to create again an exception called array index out of bound exceptions. So this cannot be called by arithmetic exception. For that you are going to write separate catch called array index out of bound exception E, and you are going to print array index out of bounds, and what is the exception name. Look at the output for this. So if a is equal to 2, which is nothing but if command line arguments is equal to 2, so you are going to print array index out of bound, and what is the exception which is going to create. So I hope you understood this. So this is all about nested try statement. So I repeat, your nested try is same as your nested if, and every try statement you are going to have its own catch statement. So this is all about this video. Next video we are going to come across. We are going to see the remaining topics in this unit. Thank you for watching videos. So if you have any doubts, please let me know that I'll correct. I think I can correct your doubts and other things. And I repeat my request. Please see all the videos in the same order which I'm uploading in the YouTube. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.